Yo, good morning everyone. Yeah, I'm actually preparing my things, putting it back in the luggage. As you can see there, these are my things, and those will be for the family. Yeah, I'm going first for breakfast, and then I'll come back to fix it. We are here at the Show Boulevard. Yeah, train station here in Mandalo City. Yeah, I basically checked out from the hotel, Kabayan Hotel, which is one ride. Yeah, the Kabayan Hotel is just in the top avenue station of this train. So one ride and 20 pesos up to here. Yeah, and now I'm going down. Lots of vehicles down there going to Cainta. I'm going to Cainta, which is another, about 1 hour travel. 1 hour because of the traffic, maybe more. But actually, that is about just 15-20 minutes if driving is like Sydney or, like Australia. This is one of my usual way before when I was working at SM Mega Mall at the French Baker. Yeah, this one, even this one, this is Shangri-La Plaza Hotel. Yeah, we're going to the other side. Oh, this area is not like this before. Yeah, there is this new building, big. Nice, still recognizable, but notice the difference. Yeah, this place is actually not like this before. Now it's it looks very busy. Lots of establishment. Yeah. Before it doesn't looks like a city like this. And at the moment I am already here at the house of my cousin. I actually live here for maybe 5 years, no, 3 years, 4 years. Yeah, when I was studying. Yeah. And one thing I realized is that my cousin, especially the guy, he is actually working and providing for all of us here during the time. Yeah, his family, he has 3 kids at that time, and course the wife. Yeah, and also my brother and me. Yeah, we are living here with them. And my brother is actually driving a jeepney. Yeah, and he's the only man working here. I mean, he's the only provider. And then my brother is actually giving the like pay for using the vehicle, like the boundary payment. Yeah, and I was doing less during the time. We do the household chores, like I usually do the dishwashing, sweeping the floor around here, inside, but only that. I don't do much. Yeah, I really appreciate, yeah, this family. That's why I'm here again. And I actually brought this. Yeah, I bought this one. This is a palabok kind of noodles, and also this to ice cream. But the problem is, looks like they are not here. Yeah, I have been pressing the doorbell several times, but no one is answering no one is opening the door. Also already sent a message on Facebook. Yeah, probably they are somewhere and busy. If that's the case, yeah, I'm going to just give this ice cream somewhere around here to the kids. Also this fancy palabok. And then the things that I brought from Australia, like the jam and honey. Yeah, I will just throw it on the gate. Another reason is maybe they are still sleeping. Yeah, because it's still 10 o'clock. Oh, almost 11. Good morning po. I just came from the hotel, and yeah, I pick up this. I collect this luggage from my hotel, and now I walk coming from the hotel all the way to here at the Fernando Po Jr. station. This one. Yeah, very hustle. It's very hot, and the way is, the pavement is not stable. From time to time I need to lift it, carry it, and it is heavy. No, I'm waiting for the elevator. It's struggle, but it's good. So basically my cousin, they are not in the house. They went for staycation somewhere in Rizal province. Yeah, they stayed there for one night and they are coming back this afternoon. And so I went to my other cousin, which is like a 15 minutes walk from the first house. Yeah, and in there I knock, and yeah, but it's okay because they are also my second option to go to, because I also have something for them. Yeah, I also bought something for them. Yeah, and so I went inside. Another good thing is they booked me, Katrina, my niece, for my cousin. Yeah, she booked me a Grab. Yeah, she paid for it. And actually when I was already inside the car of the Grab is like Uber in Australia. Yeah, the driver gave me shit. Yeah, because he said that I should book it myself because in case of emergency accident. But good thing, all good. Nothing bad happened. Yeah. Thank you, Katrina. I actually don't want to use any Uber or Grab or taxi or any comfortable public transportation. Yeah, I want to experience the usual, the regular public transportation. Just like now, I'm back to using it. And I'm going to take this train. I'm going to be in Buendia, and then from Buendia, I'm going to take the bus going to my province, which is about 5 hours. Oh, I got this. This is the ticket that I'm going to use to get through inside. This is at $20. At the station. Yeah, this is known as Buendia, and there are several bus terminal, if I'm not mistaken, in this area. I'm just not sure. And when I get down, there's actually no elevator. No elevator yet. And so I take the luggage from there down here and more down there. Yeah, heavy. And this luggage is actually 30 kg. I can handle. Over that side already is the buses. Yeah, this is the struggle. Yeah, and then one is to get into this bus, but I'm going to have 2 rides. Yeah, I'm going to have a transfer because there's no available direct to the area. And we are now here in San Pablo City. And there is one terminal here. And I am in the bus again. Yeah, so basically I forgot to get my luggage from the bus. Yeah. And then I was about to ride the second bus. And then I realized that, oh, where's my luggage? Yeah. And then I went back to the drop-off area and the bus is already gone. Yeah, good thing I approached the right people. Yeah, they are the inspector of that previous bus, and they contact them. Yeah, and yeah, I meet them in SM. It's actually far. Yeah, and yeah, I recovered the bag, the luggage, and then I took the tricycle. Yeah, basically a motorcycle with the sidecar, and I paid $150. Yes, and now I am here in the bus. It is now 6:23. Yeah, I will be in my